I did a study um, of accidents. So what I did was I took Times of India newspaper and I looked at accidents from page number 2 to page number 10. Man is walking on the road, falls into a manhole and dies. A person is walking on the street, a wall collapses, the person dies. In the slums, people get electrocuted during rains, and this continues. Fire hazards, cylinders bursting in dense places kills people. Okay, now we can treat it as symptomatic problem, saying that okay, this is one case, we will improve the safety, we will sort out things, we will educate people, that will work out. The worst case is that it can happen to you, it can happen to me. It's an existential threat. You are crossing the road, someone hits you and runs off, and there you are on the street. It is very, very dangerous the way we are living, seeing this pattern. Again and again, you're seeing this pattern. It's not about blaming someone. So, this is one thing I want to get rid of, that I'm not trying to blame anyone. I'm not trying to blame the person. See, what happens is people don't get up in the morning and they go ahead and say that today I will kill such and such people. Okay, there is not, these are not what do you call murderers and psychopaths. These are people who are working in a system, okay, and they want to deliver the best possible. Now, our challenge as designers, as systems designers or human factors designers, is how do you design equipment so that even in certain cases where people will commit mistakes, your system should be such that these are locally handled. So the example that you had given was the defense in depth philosophy, was exactly that, that you have these layers of defense built into your system. Even if one fails, right, it is locally captured, which means a lot of it doesn't turn into a catastrophe. Okay, so in human factors, there's a very nice metaphor given by a very famous psychologist, James Reason. So he says that in a system, these layers are like slices of cheese, and he gives the example of Swiss cheese. So Swiss cheese has these large holes in it. Okay, so he says that in your system there are these slices of cheese, and only those accidents escape through where all the holes line up. Okay, so there is a hazard, and then there is a layer over here, then there's another layer, then there's another layer, right? In case this layer of cheese doesn't have this hole, it will not transfer off to the next layer, right? So this hazard does not become that. So this is a big challenge. I mean, design for, there is no one single answer, but we really need to understand that the kind of things we are bringing in,